Hey guys, welcome to another video from Gokul. Today we are going to take an overview of the products page. There I will show you how we can search up an item using different filter options and other options which are provided in the products page. Then I'm going to quickly talk about all the shortcut buttons that are available for use. Then we are going to take a brief explanation. I will show you what the data means and how it's been presented. Let's go to our GPOS software. Now we are going to go into products. Once you click on products, this is what your products page will look like. Now there's a couple of ways we can look up an item. First, I'm going to show you the most easiest way is by scanning a product. Here I have a product. As soon as I scan that product, here I can see the product is highlighted and the product popped up. I am also going to scan another product. As soon as you scan another product, you will see another product also popped up. Now that's for scanning or either typing. You can also type in your UPC or your SKU. For example, if I were to do number 12, then it will take me to a product that has a SKU number of 12. Another way of doing this is by searching the product name. I have a product called Tito's. So as soon as I do that, I will be able to see that product, Tito's. So this is very specific to the product's name. You have to be very specific when you can how you search up the product over here. And easiest way or another way is if you don't know, let's say you don't know the UPC, you don't know the SKU number, but you know certain words of the product, then we are gonna use search in contains. Here, if I just type in, I know the product has $20 on it, right? So if I just type in 20 first, make sure you remove this. If I just type in 20, then you will see it will give me all the products that has 20 in it, either in the price, quantity, in the name, or anywhere. As soon as I put in a dot, now you can see the product is really specific to a product that has only 20 dot, right? I can also look this up by name. If I type in black, then I got all my black miles. If I were to do any cigarettes, as soon as I type in cig, I can see all the product that has cigs in it. So contain, this is a broad search. You can search up any item. All you need is few variables or a few words which you know about the product, and it will show you if that product exists or not. So now you have three options. Either you scan the product, you type a specific name of the product, or you can simply type something that's related to the product. Let's move on to the filter options. Here, as we can see, we have different filter options: product type, department, category, size, subcategory, group, vendor, pack. Depending on what you select in one of these filters, for example, right now it's selected as all. If I just do multi-pack, if I just want to see product that has multi-pack on it, if I click on multi-pack, now it will only show me products that are multi-pack. Let's say I want to look at a specific department, I can click on department. If I go into beer, now you see the search has become more narrower. It's focused on multi-pack and multi-pack in beer department. Uh, let's say now you wanna reset the filters. You simply click on reset filters and everything will change to all. You can do the same thing with category if you wanna pick something really specific or you have a category set it up. Then you can also look it up from here. Let's go into all. Same thing with size, subcategory, groups. If you have any groups, for example, I have this group right here. Then I can also look it up. If you have specific vendors which you want to see, right? Let's do reset filter. Now I am only looking at products that has been assigned to this specific vendors. Now these filters will only work depending on how you have structured the product when you are adding the product. the more information you add while adding a product, the more easier it will be for you to look up the product. There is also another option called custom filters. Let's reset this filter. Click on custom filters. Here, now you can see you have the option to filter by. If you want to look up a product by price, cost, quantity, in store, how much you have in stock, margins, markups, then you will be able to do that from here. These operators are basically, let's say I do price is equal to, let's say 15, right? So if I have any product that is priced at 15 bucks, I will only be seeing those products. You also have the options to look up any product that are taxable, non-taxable. Right now you can see I cannot click on this, but as soon as I do taxable, then I will see different options to select the text from. So depending on how you play around with this filter and you click on apply filter, it will only show you products specifically according to this filter, right? An option is also given to clear filter and everything will zero out. Let's close that. So that's a quick overview of how you can utilize all these options here in order to look up a product. Let's say you have products that are inactive, right? And you only want to see those products. You can simply click on only inactive products and it will only show you those products. So you also have the option to select include child pack, include inactive products. If you want to do a general search and want to see all entire inventory, not just the inactive products, but the search which you do should also include those inactive products with the products that are active. Then you click on this and it will also show you those products. As you guys can see here, pencil was inactive. Now I can see it. Now let's move on to our shortcut buttons. Here we have all our shortcut buttons which you guys can use in order to make any changes which is required by you on a particular product. I will go in more details in other videos of how we can utilize each and every button or shortcut button, and we can see there how each and every button will have a specific job it needs to do in order to satisfy you, right? Now, I also said that I will explain a little bit of data which has been presented. So, for example, let's click on this product named Jack. As soon as I do that, let's hit on clear filter. So, this will open up the product. So by double clicking the product, you can open up the product. You can look at all the details about the products in the products page. But let's say you don't necessarily want to go into the products page. Then what you do is you will simply click on the product and the product from the outside. Let me show you. So product, either you can open up the product this way or you can simply look here at the bottom and this will give you your UPC, your stock, plus it will also give you your current month sale, like how much did you sell, what was the sales on it, then last month, how much do you have in stock, and what was the last sale. So last sale stock, it was 7. I sold 7 of these items. How much do I have in store? I only have 2 of them. So these are the numbers which you can use in order to figure out which products you guys are selling or not selling. Depending on the product you will click on, the data will change. If you're not selling a product more often, then it will be 0. Let's click on number 7. Um, Here we can see last month sale, last sale stock, how much do I have right now, plus the UPC. So instead of you going into the product to look at all these details are presented on the products page. So we learned how to look up a product, what you can do with that product, the shortcut buttons which will help us to make changes to the product, and what's the data been presented means. If you guys keep on scrolling to the right, at the top, if we focus on this, Item name, size, pack, price, quantity, in-store, warehouse, all those details will also be available to you. The more you scroll, the more details you guys will be able to see. Let's go all the way to the back, right here. So this is an overview of the products page. Hope this video helps